Dopey, why are you no longer a dwarf now? I'm just a mythical creature in the remake now, Sheriff Woody. Oh, I see what you're saying, Dopey. Don't avenge on my son, Pinocchio. Ugh, but Pinocchio's my son. No, seriously. We're Geppetto now. Come on, Sheriff Woody from Toy Story. You know you're in Disney's remake, Pinocchio. What are you trying to do? Pull your pull string?
We keep the Wild West safe from bandits, varmints of all shapes and sizes. You got a friend in me, pal. There's a snake in my boot.
I don't sound like that. There's a snake in your boot. There's a snake in my boot. You heard me? There's a snake in my boot, Dopey. I'm Geppetto, and you're Geppetto. Hey, we can't both be Geppetto at the same time, Sheriff Woody. My son is Pinocchio, and your son is Pinocchio. Pinocchio, we're Geppetto, Dopey. Hey, what's going on? What's going on, Father? What's going on with you, Sheriff Woody and Dopey? What am I gonna do with you two? You lied to me, and you... Wait, Father? Father? Hey, what's going on? You two Geppettos need to work on that before Disney's remake version of Aristocats. Dumbo! 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 I know I'm gonna be in the remake version of Aristocats because I thought I was gonna be CG or a real cat. Look, Marie from Aristocats. Dopey is no longer a dwarf anymore. He's just a mythical creature now. Wait, what? What kind of human creature is he now? What is he? He needs to get ready for dinner and take a shower. It's 2022, Dumbo. It's not that harsh. It's the year that we're in right now. We're in the future now. Dumbo, if you keep on saying future one last time, like the ghost of Christmas has yet to come is the ghost of Christmas future. I know what the future will bring us. Dopey is no longer a dwarf. Well, they called me Marie in the Aristocats, Dumbo. I wonder if I'm gonna be CG or a real cat. Marie, if you're still in that remake one last time, I wonder if you're gonna be a real cat or a CG character. It doesn't matter who voices me in the Aristocats. Dopey is now a human creature now. Wait, dwarves are just not that. Dopey is no longer a dwarf. Now he's a human creature now. Humans are dwarves. Because humans no longer exist today now, Dumbo. Now, you know, before you and I live a longer life, Dumbo. And I'm 20 years old. Well, I'm only like 100 billion years old. Ooh, that's so old. Oh my goodness, Dumbo. You live longer because you're an elephant. Oh, Dumbo, what am I gonna do with you? Marie, it doesn't matter. You're from Aristocats and I'm Dumbo. I'll not know what to do with Geppetto. Pinocchio's father? Sheriff Woody? Or Dopey? Oh, Marie. The remake version of Snow White will have human creatures. Now Dopey is a human creature now. A human mythical creature. You can't make fairy tales like that. But in the original, Pinocchio originally killed Jiminy Cricket with the hammer. But Pinocchio lies when my origin was way darker than that, Marie. What if you just try R-rated Toy Story? But how about R-rated Dumbo? That will be not family friendly, but we are family friendly. This is a kids video we're doing. We just made this franchise. We just put you in my franchise. I don't mind if I just wanted to keep it clean and more family friendly, but Disney we need to make our videos more family friendly. Don't avenge on making dirty jokes or porn or penis jokes or booby jokes or any other Virginia jokes. They're dirty, and most eventually, Marie, we need to keep it clean. You're just making it PG-13, Dumbo. Means it's okay for kids, but not just inappropriate jokes about that, Dumbo. Marie from Aristocats. You don't wear a shirt like Nala. You're sweet, you're innocent, you're spoiled, and most eventually... I know I thought I was gonna be in the remake because I'm still Marie. Then who's gonna voice you? Some child actress to voice you? Well, like they did with Nala, her voice is replaceable, but my voice is still replaceable. Like, there's also young Simba, and most eventually, young Nala. Oh, Marie, I'm just getting myself tied up. Hold on, Marie. What are you doing? Charging your phone again? Hold on, I can't see. Alright. It's at 96% now. You can't just charge your phone to 100%, mister! Dopey, you are no longer a dwarf in the remake. Well, if they remake Snow White, then it will be all dwarves. Yeah, but now you are now a mythical human creature. Not a dwarf anymore. No longer a dwarf. But you are still gonna... No! I will still be in the remake. I'm just gonna be a real cat in CG. Like Bambi. CGI means computer... Okay, stop with the... Those are nonsensical words. Means you don't ever speak. If you did, your voice will sound childish like Dumbo. Marie, I'm Dumbo. Sorry, Dumbo. I'm just a cat because I'm Marie, and I don't take showers in water. Because water melts the Wicked Witch. Oh well, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna melt. I'm gonna say I'm melting. And what a world, oh what a world. Don't! The Wicked Witch of the West is dead. If you want to go and destroy the Wicked Witch of the West, Dumbo, throw the water on her, and her blood dried up long ago. Then Toto will just pee on her. Because Dorothy Gale is dead! When you say Dorothy Gale's dead, Marie, I mean she's dead. She's already dead. You know how she died? No, somebody just shot her or something like that. Or maybe the Tin Man used his axe to get his heart in the Scarecrow's brain. Yep, she's dead. Ugh. What will her dog Toto say? Toto will just have to cry it all out like a normal dog. Ugh, poor Toto. Why would Toto want to take over Oz and put on those ruby red slippers? I don't wear a shirt, Dumbo, neither is Nala! I'm Marie from Aristocats because I'm gonna be CG and a real cat. I'm a lady, Dumbo. I'm Marie. I'm melting. Oh, what a world, oh, what a world. I'm glad that's over, Marie. Alright, that's gonna be enough for me. Alright, here, Dumbo! There's no way I have those stitches around my neck, Marie. I'm Dumbo and I don't know what to do. You're just gonna call out my name over like a ton of times because I'm a plush doll. I'm a stuffed animal. I'm a stuffed animal. I'm a stuffed animal. I'm a stuffed animal. Animal. I'm a plush doll and I don't know what to do. Look, Marie. Don't avenge on me getting decapitated like Simba. There is no way, Marie, I could survive from that. And Simba wants to get killed off in my franchise. Dumbo! Sheriff Woody and Dopey are Geppetto. Alright, I'm just gonna put Sheriff Woody on the shelf. No, Dumbo! Sheriff Woody's from Pinocchio! Disney's remake version of Pinocchio. Right! Why are you in Disney's remake version of Pinocchio, Sheriff Woody? Because I used to be from Toy Story, Marie, and now I'm in Pinocchio. I am voiced by Tom Hanks. And now I'm Geppetto. Pinocchio is just a toy. He's my son now. I'm Geppetto. And Dopey's Geppetto. You can't just be both Geppettos at the same time. Look, Sheriff Woody. There's only like one true Geppetto left. Tom Hanks. No. I'm Woody. I'm Geppetto. Dopey's Geppetto as well. We can't just make two combos. Sheriff Woody, Dopey, Geppetto. You two are just different Disney characters. Sheriff Woody, Dopey, what am I gonna do? Ah!